Welcome to the Luggage Lab here at Liebers.com. Today, I've got some exciting news for us. We are introducing the all-new Liebers Luggage Legacy line, assembled right here in New Mexico, in Albuquerque, New Mexico, nonetheless. So we have the parts, we have the shells, we build the bags right here. Let's take a look and see what all that means. I'm going to set these aside for just a second. All right, so we have designed this bag. We are travelers here. We wanted to build a bag by travelers, for travelers, getting you guys out there to enjoy your trip at a very reasonable price. Spend your money on a great meal, spend your money on going and seeing the sights. Don't need to spend all your money on the actual bag right here. So very reasonable pricing on here for a top quality bag. Let's take a look and see what all that means. If you follow us here, you're going to know that I kind of look at three things in particular. First off, wheels, second pull handle, third zippers. Let's see what all that means. We have a pretty darn good wheel system on this bag. It's going to be a four-wheel spinner, silent run wheels. We kind of got some pretty good wheels on here, so we're pretty confident with that one. Next thing that I always take a look at is going to be my pull handle. This is an extremely smooth pull handle. Love the way that one feels. Last, we talk about our zippers on this one. Let's take a look at the expansion zipper on here. Very smooth all the way around. I've got a full 2 inches of expansion on the bag, so if you do go on vacation, you end up buying a whole bunch of I Love New York t-shirts or whatnot, you have some extra room that you can put those on inside the bag and send it on home. Let's see, where'd my zipper go? Let's go ahead and bring that guy back around. I've got two nice touch points right here and right here, so I can carry the bag by the side or carry the bag off of the top. Last thing that we're going to take a look at is going to be my TSA-approved luggage lock. Actually, the last thing that I'm going to take a look at is going to be my zipper.
Keep going.
The last things that I'm going to take a look at are going to be on the front. I have a little monogramming patch that I can go ahead and throw my initials on, and then a TSA-approved lock on the top of the bag. Let's pop this guy open and see what the inside of the bag looks like. These are polypropylene bags, which means that they are going to be extremely durable, very dent resistant. This is a great material to make a hard shell bag out of. So we're going to open this up and let's see what we've got. Over here, I've got 4 packing cubes in here. So I've got a pant cube, and these are actually labeled right on here so you know where you put your stuff. I've got a pant cube, a shirt cube, an underwear cube, and a sock cube. If you buy the carry-on, medium size and large size, that comes with the bag. I've got a nice little nylon strap here. It's elasticized, so it's going to keep everything in place for you. Let's take a look at the second side. Right here, I have the only rivets on this bag, and that's going to be to keep our little nameplate in place. Everything else on this bag is going to be screwed in place. That means that the bag is very replaceable, very repairable for you. Right here, I have a little pocket that is going to be designed to put a tracking device in. You can pop that little guy in there. If your bag ends up where it's not supposed to, you can pull out your phone and figure out where your bag went off to. Next up, we have our warranty card. Let's take a quick peek at that guy. I'm going to read just one line on this for you. The Liebers Luggage No Holds Barred Warranty. We believe in the quality and durability of our luggage. That's why we offer a 5-year no holds barred warranty. We understand that most of the time that a bag goes defective, it's because the airlines are tossing these things around, bags get abused. It's not necessarily that the airline's being mean to you, it's those guys have to move an awful lot of bags, and sometimes wheels get broken, pull handles get broken, so on and so forth. We are going to stand behind our bags and make sure that this isn't a manufacturer defect warranty like most companies do. This is no holds barred. The airline breaks it, we got you covered, we will take care of you. So that's what I've got here. Let's see what else we've got. gonna open this up, and hey, what do we have here? This is the pseudo suitor. Right here, I've got this little bar running across the bag. I've got a hook right up here for my coat hangers, so I can put in a layer of clothes right down here and then put on any kind of formal garments, and those are gonna sit right in here, trying to keep them from getting horribly wrinkled. That nice little foam bar is gonna be a great way to keep business clothing looking good on your trip. So, in summary, we have high quality bag assembled right here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Come on over to Liebers.com and take a look at it. And we want you to carry on the legacy. Thank you very much.